The difference between a funnel and a website is simple. A website is a brochure, and it tells them about you. And the reality is they don't care about you. Like, nobody cares about you. They only care about what they care about. They care about themselves and what they want, right? It's not about finding people to sell stuff to. It's about making yourself findable for people who are looking for what you already want to sell them. And how do you do that? One of the best ways I've seen to do that is a funnel. So at the top of the funnel, you might have an ad, right? And it's called a funnel because it's bigger at the top than it is at the bottom. So a lot of people see your ads, and then a few people take action on that ad, and then fewer people take the next action, and fewer people take the next action, and out of the bottom, those are the people who become your diehard fans. That's the difference between a website and a funnel. A funnel gives clear direction for who you're looking for, and when you have something that they've been looking for, now they know it. And a website is really a brochure about you and your business, which nobody cares about except you and the people who work there.